Hi, this week's lesson is Warm Wishes as we lead into the holidays. Learning targets, we're looking at literary enjoyment and keyboard comfort. Your agenda today, we're going to hear a story, then you have some choices to make, and then everyone who is permitted will go to checkout. Your choices for today are computer time, you can do some coloring, some building, you can read by the fire, notice it's in air quotes, and if you're in second grade, you can create a snowflake, and then we will all check out, and you will also earn some stickers for the mosaic in the hallway as well. The expectations for today are that you would keep a voice level 1. That's a whisper voice, whether you're at the tables working on an activity or at the computers or checking out. Please use walking feet, and no more than 5 people should be at the building or coloring table at a time.